Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to explain about Python relational operators. So what are relational operators? Relational operators are checking the relation between the data, right? The validity. It will validate the data and it will return a boolean value, true or false. What are the relational operators? Greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equal to and not equal to. There are 6 relational operators are there. So what these operators will return exactly? Here, for example, just 5 and 3, if I give 5 is greater than 3, it will check the relation, yes, 5 is greater than 3, it's a true value. So it will return true. T is a capital letter. In Python, boolean values true and false, T and F are capital letters. The next one, suppose 5 and 3 both are equal. It is a false because both are not equal. For example, 2 and 4, so both are not equal. Yes, condition is true. So it will return that true value. See, once we are good at understanding the relational operators, then we need to write conditions for the questions they are expecting. Sir, what are the conditions? Let me explain some conditions. First condition, just write the condition to check the number is positive. So when we can say that the number is positive? It's a simple. Here, take one number, any variable you can take. When it is greater than 0, yes, you can say that number is positive. When you can say that the number is negative, the number is less than 0. See, I am using different variables just to say that any variable name you can use it. Suppose if you are saying that the given number is non-zero, simply to say n is not equal to 0. When we can say that the two numbers are equal, so two variables you need to take, a, b, both are equal. When we can say that the first number is equals to or not equals to second number, a is not equal to b. Right? Just write the condition to check the first number is greater than the second number, a is greater than b. For example, if they ask, just write the condition for checking sum of two numbers is equals to 10. Sum of two numbers, any two numbers you take, make it sum equal to 10. Suppose if they ask multiplication of first two numbers equals to the third number. If you take three numbers a, b, c, multiplication of first two numbers equals to third number. When you can say that the number is divisible by 7. See, if I take 14, here I am dividing with the 7, yes, 2 times 14, that remainder is 0. Suppose if I take 10, I am dividing with the 7, 1 times 7, remainder is 3. So when remainder is 0, we can say that it's divisible. When remainder is non-zero, we can say that it's not divisible. So here the concept is depends on remainder operator, remainder. Whenever you are taking one number, you divide with the 7, the mod operator will give the remainder, that remainder should be equals to 0. Then only we can say that yes, it is divisible. How can you say that the number is not divisible by 100? Here the number mod 100, when you are dividing with 100, that remainder should not be equals to 0. Then we can say that the number is not divisible by 100. Right? So when we can say that the number is even number. Even number means what? The number which is divisible by 2. Suppose the number mod 2 equal to 0, it's divisible by 2. So we need to, we are able to write the conditions after understanding the relational operators. These are the a few simple examples how to convert the given question into the technical expression, logical expression simply to say. For example, just write the condition to check the person can vote. Just to vote, to cast the vote, what is the minimum age? 18 or greater. So when age is greater than or equals to 18, yes, we can cast our vote. We can able to write the conditions. Logical thinking means what? Understanding the arithmetic operators, what we have discussed in the previous video, and understanding the relational operators. By understanding all these, when you can able to think logically, we can easily solve every logical question. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.